We can't food bank our way to the end of hunger. You know, the people who are, virtually every church, every synagogue, every mosque in the country is trying to help people in need. But the people who are involved in that work, they know that churches and charities can't do it all. That government has to do its part. Government has to provide leadership. And the truth is that poverty in America hasn't been a top priority for the President and Congress of the United States for 40 years. And it shows. So by January 2017 at least, we have got to have a president who says it's time for us to get serious about hunger and poverty, and we've got to have in place a Congress that's ready to engage with the president to pass serious bipartisan legislation to provide help to people who are really in trouble, and then maybe more important, to open doors of opportunity so that people can get up on their own feet, take care of themselves, and take care of their kids.
It has to be unacceptable in the richest nation in the world for so many people to be poor. That's all we're saying. And so this is the health of a nation, the soul of a nation, and for a good economy. You want people participating in an economy. You want their families to be healthy and whole, and you want their kids to be raised up in ways that are working for them. So this is, in fact, an issue for all of us. You judge a nation by what's happening at the bottom and not the top.
Even if we use the 45 million Americans, it's 1 in 5 children, 1 in 3 children of color. Those are things that are, if nothing else, should startle us. I mean, because sometimes people have preconceived ideas about who lives in poverty, and you know, it's the homeless older man who sits with an overcoat and is drunk much time. But we know that's not the face of poverty in the United States. And so that's the kinds of things, I think, when we hear the statistics about the number of single parents who are struggling, but the number of children, if we're not moved by the plight of children in our country, then I think we're not in a very good place.